So here we go, an interesting Friday. Are the shorts going to try to push it down or is it going to run up? I don't know. I think it might run up. Yesterday they tried that 226 again. This is the day chart that I'm looking at here. And that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times they tested that 226. So it's going to push up here. They're just going to stall it out till earnings or whatever the case may be. You know how that is. You never know how that's going to go. We had good earnings last time and they pushed it down. So I don't know. It's some crazy stuff. They can do so much with the short shares. They're hiding stuff, and off exchange is just absolutely ridiculous. So this is on FinViz here. I don't know if you can really see this, but they got this flag going on here. And I think it's going to push through there, and we're going to head back to that $3-4. They have short interest at 51.53 mil, 18.33% short float. Now that I think this came out like the other ones beginning of the month. So, you know, you're probably, it fluctuates. You know, I'm going to say you're at like 53, which would be almost an all-time high for short position. Probably pushing 20%. I gotta be careful what I click on. I've been getting into some pretty interesting conversations on Facebook. I don't need any inappropriate nakedness coming up on this and get another strike. Not everybody likes that that sexual chit chat, I guess. So I don't want that coming up on here. I'll put a link on my Facebook if that's your thing. You can hit me up. It's just some odd fun. It's crazy with the better internet. I can multitask. All my screens got all kinds of different things on it, so that's fun. Keeps me active. But man, we got to see this run. It's gotta go eventually. If we can get some good earnings on this and gain some interest, you know, that's the whole thing. We just don't have the amount of buyers, you know. It's not in the spotlight. It's kind of, I don't know, one of those hidden gems, I guess we could say. Yeah, huh? People don't really know the value of it. They just see it, and you know, there's a lot of, I'm like, my brain's full of information this morning, but there's a lot of day traders that are going to wait for this to take off before they jump in. So, I mean, it's on everybody's watch list. It's just the up and down. If you're not swing trading it or flipping it, you know, you're just watching it. And once it takes off, they'll jump in and ride the wave up and then get out. So say if it takes off before earnings, you know, there's a lot of day traders that'll, you know, jump in, ride the momentum, get out, and then they'll short as it's coming back down. So, you know, as a day trader years ago, I used to do that as well. So, I mean, you did absolutely nothing while it's kind of consolidating here, and you wait for it to take off and make that in between. You know, you lose some of your gains by waiting to get in, but then you're playing it safe because if they crack it down, you know, you don't have to try to get out and whatever. So, but you know, if the market does fairly well today, I think we're going to see this push up. I don't know if they'll get it over this 264. Hopefully. If we can hold above this 276, shorts are going to cover. Because they're in a lot lower than what they were before. So if they can't get it down, they're going to get out. So I look forward to see what happens today. Not much going on. Well, up 2 cents pre-market. But it just hasn't been doing much in pre-market and aftermarket. So it's just holding its own. That's some really good support, though, at that, this 226. Every time it gets down there, it went on a pretty good run. If we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see the first 4 hours, they, you know, shorts or whatever, pushed it down, and then it ran up the last end of the day. But then we stalled right again at that 246. So you got to get it up past that, and you get up close to this 265, you're right at this flag line here. But then I suppose we'll see this great big red bar again. I don't know. It's been a fun one to watch, though. I will say that. I mean, this thing could pop any day. Any day. I hate to say tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow like I did in some other videos, but I have a good feeling about it. So let's see what happens today. Be hopeful. It's nice doing videos again. I'll put the link to my Facebook on there. Hit me up if you want to chit chat. Until the next video. We'll see you guys later.